Hi everyone! In this video, we will provide you with a walkthrough of a professional smart pixel beads creation using your smart Pixelator device and the smart Pixelator app. If you have not yet used the app, you may want to stop this video and watch the app tutorial video first, and then come back to this video. The professional bead activities involve more than one bead tray per activity, as the finished product will be larger than one tray size. In this tutorial, we will create the Parrot. Please note that although in this video we will be using the app, it is not mandatory to use the app for any activity other than photo activities, which we will go over in a separate video. Before we get started, let's go over how the bead trays are connected. If you turn over a bead tray, you will notice 8 individual notches on the back of each tray. Specifically, 2 notches on each side. To connect trays, use the bead tray links that come with the purchase of either the organizer, the small smart pixel bead accessory, or the large smart pixel bead accessory. Here is a demonstration of how the connection between 2 trays happens. In this demo, we are going to connect 2 trays without beads, but keep in mind that when you connect trays, there will be beads on them. Take the first bead tray and slowly slide it to the edge of the work surface you are using. Now, slide one corner of the edge you wish to connect over the edge of the work surface. Take one bead tray link and insert it into the notch that is hanging over the edge of the work surface. With the link inserted, gently slide that corner back over the work surface. Now, repeat this for the other corner of the edge you wish to connect, and then slide the tray back over the work surface. Now that we have 2 links inserted into one tray, we take the second tray and connect it to the first by picking it up and placing it over the exposed links. You may want to gently press down where the links are to make sure you are well connected. Now that we know how bead trays are connected, let's get to the Parrot activity. We want to find the Parrot activity in the Smart Pixelator app. Go ahead and launch the app to get started. Make sure your device is connected to the app via Bluetooth. Again, if you are unsure of how to do this, please refer to the app tutorial video. From the home screen of the app, tap on Beads. Scroll down to Professional Activities, which are under Advanced. The first professional bead activity is the Parrot. The app shows us that this activity takes approximately 2¼ hours, requires 2 bead trays, and is made up of 1,126 smart pixel beads. Tap on the Parrot now to get started. Let's go ahead and fill the first bead tray now. Once we finish placing the beads for the first tray, we will be prompted to remove the completed tray, set it aside, and place a new empty bead tray on the Pixelator device. Now, we fill the second bead tray the same way we did the first. When we finish the second tray, we also remove it from the device and prepare to connect the 2 bead trays. We now connect the 2 trays the same way that was shown earlier, using the bead tray links. Once the 2 trays are connected, we want to turn our creation into one piece. To do this, we use an iron. This step must be done by an adult in a safe setting. Once the iron is heated to its highest setting, take your ironing paper and set it on top of the connected bead trays covering the entire Parrot. Gently iron the ironing paper, which will heat up the beads underneath. There is no need to apply downward pressure or force. Once you see that the beads have melted together uniformly, then you are done. Now, turn off the iron and unplug it. Place it in a safe place to cool off. Let the beads cool down for 1 minute. Carefully flip the Parrot over and let the beads cool for another minute. Now remove the bead trays and set them aside. That's it! We have completed a professional smart Pixelator bead creation. Happy pixelating!